I had a guy on my Monday night group coaching call share this, and it was like it's so profound. It wasn't profound, but when he said it, I was like, that's the feeling. Like he referred to it as like after you're done, like whether you've just completed or maybe you've been on a little streak and you had a little relapse, you get this sense of like the gimmies, and that's what he defined it as, like the gimme. I just got what I wanted. I had to do anything for it. Now give me everything else that I want. And I think this is where John Eldredge did an amazing job of describing this in Wild at Heart. He says, what makes pornography so destructive and dangerous with men, and I'm going to misquote him a little bit, is it gives the man everything he needs from a woman without requiring, or everything he desires physically from a woman without requiring anything of him in return. You know, guys think that we're just supposed to be given sex, like it's something that a woman is just supposed to lay down for us and let us sleep with her. It's like, why do you deserve anything? You have a life. You have the greatest gift and blessing, which is that you're alive and you're breathing today. Beyond that, you don't deserve anything.
Right.
But if you start conditioning yourself that, I can get this release, I can go get this off, and I don't have to do anything. No, a woman, a wife is gonna give sex to her man, or is gonna have sex with her husband when he is a good husband, when he is a good man, when he is a provider, when he's a protector, when he's serving the home, when he's leading the home spiritually, mentally, emotionally. Then the woman's going to look at him as like, he makes me feel safe. Let me make him feel good.
Right.
But if you start just giving yourself all these things, then you go out into the world, you're like, I don't have to do anything. Let me just get this. Let me just get this. Let me just get this. The gimmies. I loved it when he said it.